few of the requests for equity related topics. So whenever the market is down, somebody who is anywhere aged between 55 to 85 will definitely ask this question: should I have equity at all in my retirement portfolio? It's a very difficult question to answer. The question is, do you understand portfolios? Do you understand equities? Because yesterday I met a 55-year-old man who has no understanding of equities. All his money is in PF and PPF and does not have a high paying job. His wife is a school teacher, he is also working in a company. So I don't think he's got too much of savings. So the amount that he has is not high, and it has not grown at all because inflation has made sure that PPF growth and PF growth is not high enough. Maybe he will shift to a cheaper place or whatever. Right now he is in Mumbai. The question is, you should have equity in your retirement, and especially if you start young, if you're 25, 30 and you've started investing, maybe you're 24, you will accumulate some equity on the way, which could either be direct equity. When I talk about equity, I talk about equity mutual funds also. So you should have equity because equity will give you some protection against inflation. But remember, equity will also give you gut-wrenching volatility. Markets can go up, markets can go down. You cannot be at 55 and wondering whether you should be in equity. It's too late, because if you already have, and how much do you have? If you have 5%, 10%, believe me, it's not going to have a great impact on your portfolio unless the portfolio is huge. And it really, when I say huge, I really mean huge, which means you inherited a couple of houses, you inherited gold, and you had a lot of inheritance, and therefore a 10% exposure to equity is enough. Otherwise, it's just not enough. Please understand, you need a big corpus for your retirement. If you are a millennial, if you are in your 20s, we are talking of tens of 20s of crores. We are not talking of small amount. That accumulation can happen only with equities. You don't understand equities, there is a way out. Go to a mutual fund. Pick up a combination, a large cap, mid cap, what have you, and keep monitoring it as long as your returns are greater than public provident fund, which is right now maybe at 7.5%. If you can get 9% in an equity fund, it's not too bad, right? Don't have wrong expectations, have equity. When can you stop putting money in equity? Maybe you stop putting long back, but you don't withdraw till maybe you're in your late 80s or early 90s. Because longevity is a big risk that we run. So if you are not in equities at the age of 55, what will you do at 95 to meet your expenses? Your fixed income securities like even a PPF or a bank deposit, RBI bonds, they are not very tax efficient. Yes, the one which is tax efficient is PPF, but that is not very liquid, right? So you have to have all these combinations. You should have equity. Learn it. If you don't understand, definitely find an advisor. If you don't want to understand, don't want to find an advisor, the mutual fund industry still has a fantastic product for you. It's called an index fund. Just go put money in an index fund. Yes, many people believe that managed funds will do better than index funds, but it's not very clear whether that is always true. So just stick to one index fund, large cap index fund, stick to BSE, Sensex or Nifty. Just keep putting money in that, and during bad times put more money. That will help you in the long run. Thank you.